Hello, in today's video, we're going to learn how to find out whether a company is registered in the UK or not. We can find out information about the company, get their contact details, their address, which officers work there, and even find their financial details. To do this, first you need to go to Google and search for UK Gov. You'll see the first website, the gov.uk one, and that's the one we need to open. You can choose to accept or reject the cookies. I'm rejecting them. After that, we need to scroll down a bit. Now, from here, you can take advantage of many government schemes and find out about them. However, I'm here to check company registration details, specifically how to check if a company is registered or not. To do that, you need to scroll right down to the bottom of the page, and right at the bottom, you'll see this part of the page. There's a section here called Services and Information. If you look here, the third option down is Business and Self-Employed. That's the one we need to open. Now here you can find out all sorts of information about companies, like how many employees they have, when the company was registered, and you can get lots of other details from here. However, we're not going to open any of these links. If you look up at the top, you'll see an option that says Get information about a company. We need to click on that link. If you run into any problems, you can let me know in the comments. I'll do my best to help you. As you can see here, it now says Start Now. We're going to click on that. I'm going to reject all the analytics cookies here. After that, scroll down. Here, you need to type the name of the company you want to search for. So, for example, I'm going to type Vodafone. As you probably know, it's a very popular company, so I'll just click search. And as you can see, all the companies with Vodafone in their name that are registered in the UK have appeared here. This one here is Vodafone Limited, and I'll click on that. Here you can see you'll get the company number. This is the company number here. From this overview, you can see information about the company. You can also see the company's status, which shows as active, and the company type, what kind of company it is. It says here private limited company, and it also shows when the company was incorporated. In addition to this, there are lots of other details. You can even get details on when the company's name has changed. And on top of that, you can check the company's filing history from here. If you want, you can also download these as a PDF. You can also find information here about the people who work at the company. And at the same time, you can see any charges that might be registered against the company or any other similar items. You'll find all of that here. If you're facing any issues, you can let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to help you. Thank you for watching today's video.